sinful activities. Diktam, I am finding my life. Eh? But in temple, sadhu, Santa Mahatma, they are living in temple. How they are doing bhajan and sadhana. Eh? Every day doing Mangal Arati. Just she is thinking. Just particularly she is thinking this way. Eh? And in the morning, many sadhus, they are coming in the temple and taking darshan Thakurji. Eh? Jaya Jaya Radha Jugala Milan Arati Karen Lalita. Eh? Just she thinking. And again, she bow down her forehead and doing darshan to the Sudarshan Chakra. Look, sadhu, he lives in temple, but his mind is going there. Criticize to prostitute. One mala, one round, he did not chant. Many people also did. Taking Japa Mala, Hare Krishna, hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? And criticize to others. Putting tilak, very big tilak mala, 20 mala, 5 kilo, tulasi mala. Hey! Other persevering. Again and again go down her forehead and remembering old Shah, remembering Thakurji, remembering Guru and Vaishnavas. But Gurudev told, same time, every time, sadhu left body and prostitute, she also left body. Then Jamaduta understand? What is the Jamaduta? The messenger of Jamaraj. You will be very afraid. Jamaraj. The messenger of Jamaraj, Jamaduta. They came. Came in front of the sadhu. Hey, sadhu! Come. The sadhu, hey! Maybe your internet not working. What is it called? Navigation system not working. I am sadhu. Hey, sadhu. Whole life you did not bhajan and sadhu. If you not one round chant holy name. If your life you always were criticize to sadhu. You criticize to others. You criticize. You criticize. That pursued lady or not? Well, yes, that's laughing. Stupid nonsense. Rascal! Gopunate Attachar. Stupid nonsense. Then Vitar took in the Jamaloka harassment. Sadhu. They are there. Vitar. Then after few seconds, then Vishnu chariot came from Vaikuntha Dham in front of the door of prostitute. Then prostitute she told, who are you? Then Vishnu Dutas, Vishnu Dutas, this messenger of Lord Vishnu. They told, mother, please sit on this chariot. Then she started to cry. Well, no. I will go hell because in my life I did not bhajan and sadhana. According to my previous karma, I committed many sins. I have to go here. That time Vishnu Dutas told, mother, don't worry. I know you did sinful activities, but every day, every second, you remember the Lord Vishnu. Every day you paid obeisances to Vishnu Chakra. Every second you are remembering Sadhu, Guru and Vaishnava. All your sinful activities automatically gone. You are now pure. Sit on the chariot. Then she seated on the chariot of Lord Vishnu and attend to Vishnu Loka Vaikuntha Mapnati Gwan. Shastra saying this. So Shastra saying, never criticize me. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. No nindati, no prasamsati. And one who criticizes to others, then all their sinful actions coming. Asu bhasanti. Bhasanti, you will be fell down from his position. Because you criticize to others, that sinful action will come to you. And your mind will be contaminated. So for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tried to ask, Kaharena ninda pare Krishna Krishna bole Ajiya Chaitanya say jinive heve. No need to criticize to one another. chant holy name. This human life is very, very rare. Who knows when we will die? This human body is very, very rare. And also, time. So it is best is life is what? Chant holy, do bhajan and sadhana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Time is over. So if you prepare for Arati, I think all you are also very hungry. So lunch time already over because about 2:30, more than 2:30. So I request to arrange for Arati today. Just to finish my katha also. I am saying couple seconds. So this is my aim and object. Everybody chant holy name and give up all kinds of offenses. Aparad chhadi Lord Krishna Naam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur again say, Aparad chhadi means give up all the offenses and chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I request you all to chant holy name and give up the criticism and offenses. Aparad chhadi Lord Krishna. This human life is very, very rare. Lord gives us the human body to chant bhajan and sadhana. Not do anything. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Then human baby also told all this to Narad Rishi. Then Narad Rishi very happy and now they again turn back to Vaikuntha and again go down the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu and glorify the association sadhu. Sadhu sangha mahina. Darsane pavitra karo. If you take darshan, the high class exalted sadhu. I am not sadhu. All you are sadhu. I am very happy. I am looking all you are sadhu. So my life is successful. Balaji Gurudev ki jai.
Can you give a few things explaining what constitutes sadhu sangha samyak rupena anugamana?
Sadhu sangha sammaka rupena anugamanam. This is the many meanings. Sammak means direct. Direct you follow the instruction of sadhu. Sammak rupen. Actually sammak rupen have to realize is mood bhav. Not only physical association with sadhu. Or you try to understand his internal mood, antarik bhavna. Sadhu is this way. Also Gurudev told some bugs, bugs, mosquitoes, they are associated with sadhu. When sadhu sleeps, then mosquito comes and making very nice sounds. And I was taking the guitar, then mosquito after a few minutes and sucking the blood. Prasadam. This is not sadhu sangha. Understand? And some bugs are in the
insect biting
and sucking the blood. That is not sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha means is what? You have to everything good from the heart. Try to understand the mood of sadhu bhav. For the Uddhav he told, Bande Nanda Brajastinang Padrino Viksranasa Jasang Hori Katho Gito Punati Bhuvanatram. You try to associate high class exalted sadhu as like Braj Gopis. Aradhu Bhagavan Brajasatana Tadham Vrindavan Prajupati Varganaja Kalpita Srimada Bhagavatam Pramanamalam Prema Pumartaman Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matavidam Tatradaruna Parha. This sadhu, who is the sadhu? High class sadhu, Braj Gopis. There are many kinds of sadhu, many kinds of devotees of Lord. He asked me, what is the sammak rupena? Sammak means direct. How to understand the mood of pure devotee of Lord. How? How know? Without his service, without his mercy, you can understand. Rupa Goswami Pada explains, Tishthan Vrajet Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalan Nayet Akhilam Ittopadesa Saram Tannamur Pacharitadi Sukurtananu Smritu Kramenorasana Manasi Nijuju Tishthan Vrajet Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalangne Akinam Ittapodesa Saram. So topmost explanation about Sammaka Rupeno means try to understand his highest mood, how. Without highest mood, without realize the highest mood of sadhu, you cannot serve sadhu or you cannot serve Thakur, your Ishtadev. Gurudev gave an example. Bring one glass of water. Have you listened or not? Who has listened? What did I say? Bring one glass of water. Then Gurudev, no, you did not listen. Disciple, no, Gurudev, I am not deaf. Gurudev, what did I say? Bring glass of water. Listen or not? Yes. But Gurudev told, no. But why not? Are you when you bring water? That is the perfect listening or not? Another question is coming, Sammagrupena. What kind of water do you want? Cold water? Or warm water?
Ganges water.
What water do you want? When the airplane, they also servicing the water.
Mineral water.
Sparkling water. And air booster, they also servicing the water. They ask, what water do you want? Ice water? They didn't ice. I said, cold. Then I said, no, normal water. Something, a little bit warm water. That means is what? If you don't know the heart of sadhu, you cannot prepare to also sadhu. Samadhruvena, you sadhu, your Ishtadeva. Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she perfect and absolutely served to Krishna. Let me give you an example. This is the highest question. And answer is do this way. Srimati Radhika, she properly, perfect way. She served to Krishna. Srimati Radhika, she knows. If I do man angry, then Krishna very pleased. For the Krishna's pleasure, she did man. Do you understand this thing? Srimati Radhika, she told this thing. Because all our activities, that especially pleasure for Krishna. So Sammagrupena sadhu sangha, this way, highest mood. Try to understand the highest mood of sadhu and sadhu. Do bhajan and sadhu. But this is the high level, but you have to start and step by step. Adu Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha Tatra Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivritti Nishtha Ruchi Asakti Bhav Prem Snihoman Pranara Gurura Bhav Mahat. This is when step by step. Sammagrupena. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Jai Bhumvati Prabhu Ki Jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Another question. Which one other question? Arati. Eight tomorrow. This is your qualification.
आपका गुण है यही तुम्हारा गुण
Hey, tomar gun.
Oh, I say your good.
What
Your
is my
voice is
goal?
alive.
I have no qualification.
Tarun Prabhu, say it again.
It's saying
Oh, yeah.
I'm afraid.
Huh?
I'm afraid to return to Vrindavan.
You are afraid from return to Vrindavan.
I lived in Vrindavan, 1973, many times, many months, in the physical Vrindavan. And then I made a little criticism of Yati Maharaj. You
Hari
know,
Bol, Hari Bol.
anyway,
I listen to you.
great thing.
You to stay Vrindavan, don't to associate those who criticize to Guru and Vaishnava Sahib. This is, they don't try to understand this way.
But in Vrindavan, I've heard that the reaction comes quickly. Makes some aparad or pop. In the Western world, slow.
Slow.
Manda sumanda matayo.
Manda Sarvamata
But
Jivadrapa.
in Vrindavan, reaction came within 20 minutes. I was just speaking something, and so this is a fact, you know. In other words, Vrindavan is more sensitive. The sensitivity is increased in the holy Dham. That the reaction will come more quickly. as opposed to the Western world or something outside of the Holy Land. The reaction will.
Listen, my prayer. You stay in Vrindavan, just absorb with sadhu, associate with pure sadhu. Which pure sadhu? One who never criticizes sadhu. Here also Rupa Goswami Pad explain how to associate with sadhu sangha. Then this thing. Then Krishna di jasya viridam manasadrit dikkhasite prantivishya sususwa vajana viggam anananda nindadi sunnam hidam isrita sangalabda. That's called sadhu sangha. Who does not criticize any person and always absorb to worship his Ishtadev and chanting holy name. You have to associate that person. So this is the process to associate with sadhu. Those who criticize to sadhu, gossiping, just I told, taking japamala and looking others' fault, not looking his own fault, and strainer, strainer and strainer.
Save.
And many holes, and he says, hey, needle,
You
you have
one hole.
one hole. He does not look his own thousand holes. Yeah? So in the same way, always this is that if you stay in Vrindavan, as a high class exalted devotee, one who does not criticize to anyone and absorb his bhajan and his sadhana. Why criticize you? I cannot understand. Absorb your sadhana. Listen Hari Katha.
Even it says when you criticize someone, you are taking his faults and giving your own punya. It says in our literature.
Yes. You will take his skill simply and bring your punya to. So, okay. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Radhe. Okay. So if you want, my two books also there, one Gopi Git and also Jewels of the Heart. Everything you will say how to properly chant holy names. This is the glories of holy names and Harinam Chintamani last part. Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Gurudev once gave class, then I remember and I wrote down my paper and then I also mentioned this book, the Jewels of the Heart, how we will chant properly holy names. If you want, you can collect this book. Good, Premanand. Acha, Arti karo. Who can? Dasumati Nandana. Anyone, Prabhu? Nice one, Dr.
Do it now, do it. You got the outfit.
You take my Japamala. Huh?
Japamala? Look, check for the
It was on the table, I think.
on the table?
This is mine. Oh my God. This is joking. Japamala here. गाओ कौन गा रहे हैं? क्या कुछ जसोमती नंदन का जसोमती नंदन ब्रजवरनागर गोकुल रंजन Purana Dhana Modana দীন না ঘর ঘর ওম শিব জন সুবাসা कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन बोलो राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गई रे सखी पावन जय कृष्ण विखाल गिरिधारी श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जीव की जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय नित्य लाभ भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की श्री भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय श्री प्रभुपाद की हरिनाम संकीर्तन की हरि बाबा नित्यानंद प्रभु की गौर प्रेमानंद ओम वृंदावन तुलसी देव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्वत्यै नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय सत्संग की जय
Bhakti Vedanta Maharaj ki jai.